Hello everyone, welcome to INE's WAN Technologies for Beginners video course. I am Peter Koluzny. I am a Cisco certified network associate, professional and expert. I started my career in networking back in 2007. And this course is going to be the most beneficial for people who start their career in networking, especially for those who are pursuing their CCNA Routing and Switching certification. This is an introductory course where we will take a look at wide area network technologies, and we will also make an overview of the equality of service feature. This series can be logically broken down into three separate sections. First, I'm going to make an introduction to wide area networks. We will discuss the concept of WAN, and we will talk about wide area networks from a very high level perspective, like what type of issues are they trying to solve. We will then take a look at some of the individual wide area network technologies that are normally used to build a wide area network, and we will finish this series with an overview of quality of service. Thank you guys, appreciate your time spent on watching this video. I hope you find the course valuable, and I'll see you in the class.